troubleshooting and maintenance guide for smoke detectors. Your smoke detector should have a test button. To test them, please press the test button. If the alarm sounds, then you're good to go. If not, replace the batteries immediately and test again. If it still doesn't sound, it is possible there's simply some corrosion on the battery terminal and it won't detect the new batteries. So clean the smoke detector, including the battery terminals, and try it again. If it still doesn't work, then you're likely to need a new detector. If your smoke alarm is beeping, this is often a result of batteries running out of power. Please replace the batteries and retest the alarm to ensure that it's functioning correctly. If your alarm is hardwired, it should still have a battery backup and should not be affected by loss of power. If your hardwired smoke alarm is intermittently beeping, it may be an indication that the smoke alarm unit itself requires repair or replacement. Please contact our office immediately if the alarm is not working. All smoke detectors are checked annually by qualified tradesperson and batteries are changed at the annual test. It is the tenant's responsibility to replace batteries should they go flat between annual checks. If your alarm is continually going off, please notify us. Never ever disconnect the batteries. That is a breach of your lease. If you have any problems, contact your property manager.